Okay, it's Sunday now. Are we ready yet? We've eaten as much as we possibly can.
You forced me.
I forced you.
You always forced me to eat.
We went to Walmart for like the third time. We got our diesel fluid today, right?
Yeah.
Work gloves, extension cords, locks. What else? Because I lost some keys. I don't know how we possibly have lost keys. It's like have 100 of them. Maybe you had no patience.
Me?
To try them all? Or did you try them all?
I know which locks and keys go together. It's just you have so many and they're all over the place. I have no idea. A lot of them have been cut off because remember you always forget the combos or keys and have to cut them off.
Right. So I'm going to pick up the mail and then we're going to pack up and go. Right?
Yeah.
Well, while we were at the eating lunch, I was reading the news. Maybe I'm just extra sensitive today, but it's crying like a little baby. That's really messed up. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I hate talking about bad news, but...
What are you referring to? The people that have been...
Violating,
They've been defacing gravestones and
right.
war memorials, of course.
Veterans Memorial cemeteries and signs. So sad.
Yeah. It's not the old days anymore.
Not like it's already bad enough that we've lost people. But people have to do that. It's just so immature.
You should see how they...
So disrespectful. I just don't understand.
See how people write online. Same type of people that hide behind a keyboard and the internet write crap about veterans and...
I just don't understand the whole flag thing.
I'd love to...
I don't understand. Don't we have flags that represent each state?
Try to take that away too.
And America and every country. And we even have a world flag, don't we? We have flags for everything. But...
They want to take away the one that represents the whole reason why we get to have other flags. Isn't that ironic?
Like, who came up with that? It's so ridiculous. I've never heard of such a thing. At first I thought it was a joke. Honestly. I'm like, is that a joke? Anyway. Let's try and enjoy the rest of Memorial Day weekend. It's a nice, hot, sunny day.
There's an American.
Look at that. Woohoo.
An American flag.
Nice. Who's driving that? Let's see.
This guy's got his license plate all decked out. He's got a veteran's plate with a Marine Corps symbol.
Nice.
State of Nevada, every veteran that has served can have their own license plate with their own branch of service to celebrate your service and to show people that you're a veteran. Unlike other states, which I used to be from, I'm not going to mention it.
Yeah.
Time to travel through America. We're traveling through the most American states in the United States here today. Go from Nevada to
There's
Arizona,
some neighborhoods here where they have
New
flags
Mexico, and then
up
we're going to go into Texas.
Have a good Memorial Day weekend, everybody.